What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Joe, Clutch Up Garage. As you can see, I am pretty hemmed up, but I want to get this bike at least started to get tore down, to get everything to powder coat. I got the new frame over there. It's obviously already tore down, so that's nice. We'll get that over to powder coat. I want to get the wheels off, trying to get the swing arm off. Gonna take the primary out. That kind of sucks. But so yeah, we are going to attempt to at least get the forks and everything, trees apart. And I would really love to get the swing arm out today, but I'm not sure we're going to be able to do that. I can't work for super long, keep my foot down for super long. But I can do a little bit, so we're going to start with getting the bars off, front brake, and then tearing down these forks, getting them drained, getting the triples off, and that might be all we get done today. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So stay tuned. I'm going to do this in time-lapse, and watch me tear the 2026 shop bike down and get it ready for powder coat. Powder coat, bunch of parts in the back seat of the truck. Let's get it. Okay, guys and girls, we got a Dyna. Pretty much tore down the frame from my chair on wheels here since I'm hemmed up. But I had my sister come over. She helped me load everything up in the truck to take to powder coat. So, and all the rest of the smaller stuff is in this tote here. I'm just cleaning up the garage a little bit, but I had a package show up that I believe deserves an unboxing. It's a pretty hard to find piece, and it's like the final piece to this bike to make it whole. So we are going to do a little unboxing here. Packaged up nice. Look at this thing. And that, my friends, is a new old stock, never installed, never had a tire on it. Rear, sealed bearing, 13-spoke mag. What a find. I cannot believe that I found this. She's pretty. New old stock. And people were selling these things online for like $600 or $700 a piece just for the rear. And I got this for $270, so it's kind of one of those deals I had to get it. So, new old stock 13-spoke mag, to match the front 13-spoke mag. I got the front in the truck getting ready to go to powder coat. I'm going to get this in the truck to go to powder coat. Like I said, I was just trying to do the front end, and I ended up doing the whole thing. So it's done. I'm getting some stuff prepped for powder coat, because if you know, you know. If you are sending your stuff to powder coat to be blasted and powder coated, blasting costs about just as much as powder coating does. So I'm actually going to be blasting this stuff myself with the help of some friends, and we're going to get everything prepped for powder coat except for the wheels, I think. I'm going to let them prep the wheels. I want them to be right. But yeah, we are done for now. It is a strip bike. I will do the wiring when I get the frame back from powder coat. That way I can just make it easy on myself, know exactly where everything goes. But she is moving along. So now we're basically just waiting on powder coat. That will take a while, and then I'll show you the process of doing some pretty cool custom paint. With my father-in-law, he's got one heck of a paint booth, so it's all going to be a nice build. The budget kind of went out of the window, but that's okay. It's still going to be under $4,000 this whole bike at least, maybe a little bit less. So definitely cheap in comparison, and it's going to be a nice bike. I mean, it's going to look really good. I got some extra parts that I haven't told you guys about. The colors I'm not going to tell you about, so it's going to be one big surprise. So stay tuned. We got some stuff just waiting on powder coat, waiting on paint. Going to do more videos on this. Obviously do the full build, putting it back together. Then we got some bikes over there we're going to do some work too. So yeah, got some stuff coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and stay tuned for more.